welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is regarding how to use ChatGPT. So first of all, we'll go to Google. We'll type ChatGPT, and then a page will appear. We're introducing ChatGPT. Here we can see so many details. Hello. ऊपर आ जाओ जहाँ पर वो है सिक्योरिटी है. Okay, आता हूँ. So after that we need to click on the try ChatGPT. So here a message from ChatGPT appear. So what can I help with? So here if you write anything like suppose I'm writing what is semiconductor. Now enter. So this ChatGPT will give you a such result. The semiconductor is a material that has electrical conductivity between that of conductor and insulator. So from here you can get answer of your all queries ChatGPT. So basically a basic answer. It's not all details. For the all details you need to go with your books. But suppose if anything the basic if you want to know, you can write in ChatGPT and then you can understand. Like if I'm writing what is new with Modi governance. What is new with Modi governance? So they are writing that as of my knowledge, in 2023, Narendra Modi's governance continue to involve with mix of both new initiatives and continuation of the policy that have defined leadership since the first became Prime Minister 2014. इकोनॉमी रिफॉर्म्स के बारे में क्या सब हुआ है ये डिटेल, डिजिटल इंडिया, फॉरेन पॉलिसी, ग्लोबल डिप्लोमेसी, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी, डिफेंस की सिक्योरिटी, सोशल एंड कल्चर पॉलिसी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड अर्बन डेवलपमेंट, environmental and sustainability policy, challenges, criticism, electoral success. So there are so many things that you can got. Means a basic idea you can got from the ChatGPT if you're. So now suppose if I'm writing anything like how to develop new YouTube channel. EWHA होगा NL channel. So now we can please see. Starting a successful YouTube channel require a careful planning, consistent content creation, and the strategic promotion. Here are some steps. So here you got that niche, target audience, market research, identify your passion. These all things as given. Create a YouTube channel. How to create? They have already given the sign up a Google account, and then a channel name, profile, banner arts, channel description. Then create a content strategy. So here you can get so many details like how you develop your YouTube channel. So no need to go anywhere for any basic information. If you want, you can go to Google, write ChatGPT. There you can try that. Click on the try ChatGPT, and then you have your queries. You will get your answer. So many queries if you have, you will get a multiple answer in a precise form. So precisely you can get all the details. Like I have 3 questions. So here also it has the promote your YouTube channel, analyze and improve. So these all things you can get from here. So if I'm asking to ChatGPT that I'm asking that what is GPT, means ChatGPT. I'm asking ChatGPT to. I'm asking what is ChatGPT. So they are giving the details that ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by the OpenAI that can understand and generate the human-like text based on the input received. So ChatGPT is also telling about him. What is the ChatGPT? क्या features हैं? Multitasking, answering the factorial answer, creating content, translating language, some how ChatGPT work they have given you. So these all details you can get from the ChatGPT. So please try.